Yesterday we started Notebook C Entry 1. Today we're going to finish it. So just added to the rest of your notes from Notebook C Entry 1, we'll begin with today's. And we only talked about interior angles yesterday. Today we're switching and doing the exterior angles of a polygon. So the first thing we'll talk about is something called the polygon exterior angle sum theorem. So any of these questions that ask about an exterior angle, you're going to use this fact. And the fact is that if you were to add them all up, they always equal 360, no matter how big the polygon is. The polygon could be a triangle. It could be a hendecagon. It doesn't matter. All the outside angles just add to 360. The sum of the exterior angle measures of a convex polygon is 360. What that means is if I were to have a shape maybe like this triangle, exterior angles are angles that are extended from the outside. And if I were to take like this angle here and this angle and this angle and add them all together, they would all add up to equal 360, no matter how many sides that I have. An example will make it make more sense. So the first example, I'm just going to give you like words of how they would say it in the book. And it says, find the measure. Hold on, let me reread my thing. Yeah. Find measure of the exterior angles in a regular hexagon. This first example is when you have a regular polygon, which means that every angle equals. This one actually is a little bit easier because we know that all of the angles, just like yesterday, your first step is find the total. We know the total of the exterior angles based on this theorem is going to be 360. So I know it's going to be 360, but each angle of a hexagon, well, how many sides is that? This thing has 6 sides, so n, or my number of sides, is 6. Well, since it's regular, they're all the same. The total is 360. I have 6 of them. I would say 360 divided by 6 should tell me each angle, and it gives me 60 degrees. So each angle in a regular hexagon is 60 degrees. Okay, what about when it's irregular? So this time, not all the angles are going to match. So it's real similar to yesterday's, where we had to add them up to equal the total. And today's shape is, I think it's a pentagon. Let me look. Yeah, so you're going to find just the value of A in this polygon RSTUV. How it looks is, we'll see how good I am at this one. Okay, 5-sided figure. And each angle is extended. This is how you know you have exterior angles. This one's R, this one's S, T, U, V. And the angles they give you are, this one's 7A, this one's 2A, 3A, 6A, and 2A. They're asking us to find the value of A. How you would begin this is to know what are the total amount of outside angles, or what do they add to. According to our theorem, no matter how many sides it has, they add to 360. So I will say I know that my total has to be 360, which means if I add each of these together, they're going to equal 360. So adding these up, 7A plus 2A plus 3A plus 6A plus 2A is going to equal 360 degrees, because that's the total. Combining my like terms, anything with an A I can put together. So 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2, 20 A's would be equal to my 360. But I don't want 20 A's, I just want 1 A. So I'm going to divide 20, divide 20. My total, or what A is equal to, is 18. And it only wanted the value of A, so I don't even have to plug these back in. A is 18. If it asked me to plug it back in, like it wanted each angle, then I would have plugged it in and been like, angle S equals 2A, which is equal to 2 times 18, which is, I think that's 36. If my math is bad, sorry. But it may ask you to plug it in. In this case, you just wanted A. When you have a regular polygon, you want to know the number of exterior angles, or the measure. You just take 360, divide it by the amount of sides. When it's irregular, this is an example when it's irregular, you have to actually add each angle to equal the 360 and find the missing variable. Now today's assignment will be under week 8. Here's the second half of the assignment. It's a shorter one. So if you didn't finish yesterday's stuff, you would have time today to finish it as well.